Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the legal name for Bread Financial. I know, it's a bit of a random topic, but I've been getting a lot of questions about it lately. So, I thought I'd do a video on it to clear things up. Before we get into the actual name, let's talk a bit about Bread Financial. What is Bread Financial? Bread Financial is a financial services company that offers a variety of products and services, including credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans. The company was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. Bread Financial has over 10 million customers. Why is the legal name for Bread Financial important? The legal name for Bread Financial is important because it is the official name of the company. It is the name that is used on all of the company's legal documents, such as its articles of incorporation and its bylaws. The legal name for Bread Financial is also important because it is the name that is used by the company to do business. For example, the company's website is breadfinancial.com. What is the legal name for Bread Financial? The legal name for Bread Financial is Bread Financial Incorporated. Why is the legal name for Bread Financial Incorporated? The legal name for Bread Financial is Bread Financial Incorporated because it is the name that the company's founders chose when they started the company. The company's founders chose the name Bread Financial because they wanted to create a brand that was easy to remember and that people would associate with financial stability and security. How can I find out more about Bread Financial? If you are interested in learning more about Bread Financial, you can visit the company's website or call their customer service number. I hope this video has helped you to understand the legal name for Bread Financial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.